And so it should be all together. The battery.
There's some shit going down up there, dude.
What?
There's some shit going down up there.
I'm kind of scared. Bike is stripped. Parts are everywhere. Genuine parts. What else do they give you? Well, they give you a chain if you pay for it. That will be replacing. It's not as kinky. Most important thing, Wichita, Kansas. Yes, sir. We've got here a Bill Blue 351 kit. Gave Bill a call to see what it took to get one of these kits shipped out to me. And he said, I'll have one ready like by tomorrow. And I can ship it and have it to you in a few days. I was like, wow, that's great. I expected him to say like, oh, well, I need your core first, and I gotta machine it and everything, and it'll take like a week or two. No. He has them ready to go on the spot. You just give him a call, send him the money, and he sends it to you in a box. You keep this little return label. You take your cylinder core out, put it back in this box, close it up, send it back. You get your core fee or core charge back, and all that good stuff. And here is the beautiful new piston. Look at that, shiny. Yep, let's get this bad boy in there, eh? And since there's a way to torque them on, might as well torque them off in the same way. Not that it's going to matter. Should have, nope, forgot to do that first, but that's not a big deal. Remember to take off some pressure from your timing chain. Pressure. Oh, there go the bolts. Exhaust cam. Intake, same thing. Feels really good. Was there anything else? I don't remember if that was necessary or not. I could check the video. Yeah, that bolt shouldn't do anything there. The bolt is a size 10. I'm not going to be able to break head bolts with just Allen keys, so this was like 10 bucks on Amazon. I buy a lot of things on Amazon ever since moving to Canada. Amazon CA. So yeah, 8mm. There we go. Dose. Oh, that one's smooth, yeah. Okay, that almost went inside. Let me retrieve that. Whew. Yeah, be careful with the washers that are on these head bolts, because, or at least on these sides, because it's exposed right there. There goes the head. Pretty good size difference. That's power right there. No replacement for displacement, as they say. This is gonna be fun. Everything's looking good. All surfaces. There we go. There we go. She's in. Let's throw on some gaskets and stuff. What do you say? C'est pour le capita joint attachment artère. Just a very thin layer.
Do you know what you're doing?
Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. I'm just kind of watching YouTube and building an engine. Just wants to go on. Well, got that done. We'll drop number 1 in. Can't really have too much oil, I don't think. It is an engine. Last one. That's feeling better. Get more power into it. Alright. Well, we're torqued down to 34, I think is what it's supposed to be. Inside on the stator is, you'll see a T on there that tells you when it's at top dead center. And you can see that it goes perfectly horizontal right there. You want that to line up with the horizontal of the top of the head. The side of the chain, there are the pins, and you're gonna count 32 pins from the start of the exhaust marking here all the way up and over to the intake marking. Nice and looby. You don't want to pull tension from the intake side. You always pull tension starting with the exhaust side. And that looks really flat. It should, like, you know, if you're one tooth off, should be somewhat obvious. See how that lines up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 6, 7, 8. Then you torque these down to the specifications in your manual. And if you're like me and you don't have a manual physically, just go online. There's a PDF for the manual, and it has all the information you could ever possibly want to know about these bikes and these engines and everything. Put some RTV on, real thin layer. Make sure I get decent coverage in the half moons, and then slap that on, torque that down. I think it was another light setting, like 87 inch-pounds or something. Then I'm done.
Almost got it all together again. Got all the wiring, I think, figured out. It's all in there. I don't know. Everything's connected. Easiest way to get the engine back in is from the right side. If you try going in the left side, it does not slip right in.
Look at that. We're in Athens, Ohio.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We're gonna see if we can get it started.
Lights on.
Yep.
Gas on.
Kicking.
Oh, your clutch needs to be in.
No, it doesn't.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Battery.
That's what it was. It was the kill switch was on. Battery's about dead.
Well, let's pop it off.
Oh yeah. Up.
Oh.
So, okay, now we're here in Boulder, Colorado. After driving 20 hours from Athens, after realizing that I was missing this guy over here, this little plug, I was missing that. And so we drove all the way to Boulder, where there's a Kawasaki dealer, and talked to the great people at Rocky Mountain Kawasaki, and they just took one of these off a brand new bike and gave it to me. And they ordered one up because I won't be here in the 4 days that it takes to get one. And so it should be all together. The battery's not charged, so